People who do not believe in themselves are generally not very good time managers. They end up frittering a lot of their time in achieving the same outcome. Now, let me take an example. You go to a doctor, he gives you diagnosis, but you don't believe the doctor. So you go to another doctor for second opinion, and yet another one for third opinion and fourth opinion. In the process, you have wasted a lot of your time. And why has this happened? Because you did not believe in your choice of your first doctor. So, what I'm trying to say is believe in yourself, choose the right people with you, and once you have chosen your team, believe in them. Believe in your consultant, believe in your manager, believe in your executives, believe in your team, believe in yourself. Because if you don't believe, then you will squander a lot of time in getting the same outcome for the same defined deliverable. Think about it.